What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chef Jeffrey's Kitchen. I'm your host, Chef Jeffrey, and we are here back with another recipe. Today we're going to be doing some protein baked oats. Now, when I promise you I am not hyping this up, this is so delicious, guys. We're going to be making an Oreo cheesecake type of baked oats. I don't know where I came up with this recipe. It's kind of a combination of a bunch of recipes, but this oatmeal, we actually are going to bake it in the oven. I know a lot of you guys have only tried oatmeal in the microwave, but I promise you, once you start baking your oats, it is an absolute game changer. It changes the whole texture, the flavor. It turns it into this like fudgy cake type situation. Anyways, let's get into the video because I promise you guys, this is going to be a banger. All right, we're gonna be using 1 cup of oats for this recipe. I do recommend a high-speed blender if you have one. If not, it's not a big deal. So then we are going to use 2 tablespoons of black cocoa powder. Very important if you want that Oreo flavor. This is what they use in Oreos, black cocoa. Then we're going to use 1 large banana, just a pinch of salt here, 1 serving or 30 milliliters of sugar-free maple syrup. Then we're going to use 1 teaspoon or 5 grams of baking powder. Then I use this chocolate plant Legion protein. I'm using 2 scoops here, but you can use any protein powder that you like. If you want to use Legion, I recommend it. Link is in the bio for 20% off. You can use my code. Then we're going to be adding an egg and another egg. Once you've got all that added in there, we're going to add half a cup of water, just kind of smooth things out. And then we're going to blend it on just medium here. We don't want to like completely purify it till smooth. We want it a good consistency. You don't want it like super smooth. So that's the best way I can describe it. Then we're going to grab a couple bowls, spray them with a couple non-stick, spread that around with your fingers. Then we're going to add that mixture to the bowls evenly. Now I like to use a small rubber spatula. You can see here I'm about to grab the big one and then I go back for the little one. That's because I like the little ones. It helps me get it out from the blades in the Vitamix. This is the most annoying part, to be honest. Well, once you've got it all in the bowls, we're ready to bake at 350 for around 20 to 25 minutes. Next, we're going to be making the protein icing. This is totally optional, but it does make these extremely delicious. So we're going to be adding in some Greek yogurt here. I've got about 50 grams of Greek yogurt. Add that to the bowl. I do recommend using a food scale, by the way. Then we are adding 3 grams of sugar-free cheesecake Jello mix. And then I'm adding just 5 grams of any 0-calorie sweetener that you enjoy. And then we're going to add in just about 5 grams of a vanilla protein powder. I use the fruity cereal from Legion. Again, you guys can go check out the discount code in my bio if you want some Legion products. They have some of the tastiest protein powders I've ever had. All right, we're gonna mix that up nice and good. Then we're gonna pop it in the freezer until the oats are done. Once the oats are done, we're gonna pull those bad boys out, let them cool just a tiny bit. Then we're gonna add the icing on top. And I like just doing a dollop of icing rather than spreading it super thin on top of the oats. I know it looks better that way, but this is how I enjoy it. And you know, I just wanted to do it this way. I think it looks cooler too.
Sound right, boys.
That is it, guys. Here's a little taste test. It gets my seal of approval. If you haven't already, please like the video. Please share it with somebody that you think would enjoy this recipe. And if you guys want to join my free Facebook group where we share low-calorie, high-protein recipe ideas, you can check that out. I'll leave the link down in the show notes. And then if you want to check out some products from Legion, I will also leave my link and discount code below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate and love you guys' support.